Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp web for PC using the newest update. Whether you love the sleek look or just want to rest your eyes, turning on dark mode takes only a few simple steps. Let's jump right into it. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. You can do this by going to the main WhatsApp site and scanning the QR code with your phone, or if you're already logged in, it'll load your chats right away. Once you see your chat list and contacts on the left-hand side, you're ready for the next step. Now, look to the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll notice a gear icon. That's where all your settings are kept. Go ahead and click that gear icon. A small menu will appear with several options you can explore, but for dark mode, we'll head straight to chats. Inside the chat section, you'll find an option labeled theme. Click on it and you'll see a pop-up with two choices, light and dark. The light theme is the standard bright layout, but if you're here for the dark side, quite literally select dark. Once you've chosen dark, click OK, and instantly your WhatsApp web will transform into a gorgeous dark interface. The background goes charcoal, the text turns light, and everything looks smoother and easier on the eyes, especially if you're chatting late at night or working in a dim environment. That's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on WhatsApp web. You can always come back to the same settings if you ever want to switch back to the light theme. It's simple, reversible, and effortless. So, if you prefer a modern and relaxed look while chatting with friends or colleagues, dark mode is definitely the way to go. Give it a try and you might never go back to the light side again. If this guide helped you out, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick how-to tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.